That's this Quicksilver prop hub assembly kit. There are the models right here. Part number. Let's see what we have in the box. Okay, you have your shaft nut, and this one is the one you have the pin to hold it in place. Keep in here. Let's see what else we have in here. Okay, nothing in the box. This is the washer that goes against the gear case. Then you have the plastic sleeve. There is only one way that this goes into the prop. You cannot mess that up. You gotta maybe give some tap to get it into the bottom. Normally it goes like this. It hits here. The prop is gonna be mounted in the middle. And you got a thrust washer here. Might stick this in here. Rotate this. And there is a pin to hold everything in place. Right here. And this is the pin. After you screw this, you're gonna find a place, stick this in it, and it prevents from this nuts to unscrew while you're backing up the bolt. Right here in reverse. This is how it goes. Make sure when you replace this piece, it might get stuck in the gear case. It's not part of the gear case. That's how it goes. There is a manual here, installation guide. That's the prop. It's gonna have a couple of instructions right here. So yeah, as I said, letter R, that's the thrust washer. The B is the driver's sleeve, the plastic part, the prop. Then you have letter D here, the driver's sleeve adapter, the nut, and then the pin, right? This is very straightforward. Follow this order and you're not gonna have any issue. The model that I'm using is right here. So, thrust washer, driver's sleeve, prop, driver's sleeve adapter, washer as required, not every time, castle nut, and cotter plane. That's how I do it. Should take 10 minutes to change that